So basically, there are four ways to connect with the clients, and let's start with the first way, which will be via searching. So what you can do is by going on LinkedIn and typing CEO, and from there you can filter out by people, and there are many more filters like second connection, third connection, and which location. Let's say I want to target from UK, and there are even which industry you want to target. Let's say I want to target technology peoples, and I want their first their language should be English so that I can communicate with them. So I selected English and I clicked on show result. So there I got about 27,000 result, which I can contact to them and contact them and talk to them regarding about my services. And second method would be via events. Let's say event will be like lead generation. uh, I gone to the events, and there I selected, as you can see there are 20,000 result. I can't see that event lead generation, this one. As you can see there are about 40,000 attendees. Let's register on it. There is some problem. Okay, there is some problem. Otherwise, usually, as soon as you complete it, let's try another event. Let's say this attend. Now you got the list of all these people, and you can directly contact to them. Another method would be via, let's say Ali Abdal. You know Ali Abdal, he is famous for creating videos, content creation. So there are about 168,946 followers, and active followers will be in their post. Let's go with this post. You can interact with these people and contact to them. Maybe they'll require your services. Another method would be via group. Group, let's say founder, creator, uh, creator. You click on the groups, and here you selected this one. Now you can access all these people and contact to them for providing your services. And with this, don't forget to subscribe after. Don't forget to subscribe me. Later on, I will provide dedicated videos with tool scripts and messaging scripts which I use for cold email and cold calls. See you in the next video.